How to log in to TD Auto Finance app. First of all, open the app on your device. Once the app loads, you will see two options: Get Started and Login. Tap on Login and you will find the fields to enter your username or access card and the password that you created when signing up for your TD Auto Finance account. Double check your details to make sure everything is correct. If you have enabled additional security features such as Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint login, you can use them to sign in quickly without typing your credentials every time. In case you have forgotten your username or password, simply tap on the Forget Password option below the login fields and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your login details. Once you have entered your information correctly, tap the Login button. You will then be signed into your TD Auto Finance account where you can view your loan details, check your balance, make payments, and manage your account securely from your device. Now you know how to log in to TD Auto Finance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.